Heidi here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a bubble chain. So for this activity, you'll need a plastic bottle, a sock, scissors, a bowl of water, hair ties or rubber bands, a spoon, and dish soap. You can also optionally add different decorating items such as paper or markers and even food coloring, which I'll show you later. So let's get started. So first, start with your bottle, and you're going to cut it in half. Make sure you have your parents' supervision while doing this. So once you have your bottle cut in half, then move to your sock. So you're gonna cut your sock so that you have the toe portion of it separated, like this. Right? And go ahead and take this toe portion and put it over the end of your bottle. Here we go. And use your hair ties or rubber bands to secure it in place. Right, like that. Next, move to your soap and use your spoon to add your soap into your bowl of water. Pour it in and mix it around. There we go. And take your bottle and dip the toe part in. Okay. And go ahead and blow into your bottle. There we go. And that is your bubble chain. So you can also choose to decorate your bottle more. So this is my decorated bottle. I kind of modeled it after a dragon. And you can take some food coloring and go ahead and add it to your sock. All right, so just add your food coloring to the top of your sock. Add drops of it here and there. Make sure it mixes in a little. Right, there's some red, and I'll also use a little bit of orange. All right, and you can use any colors you like. You can even make it rainbow if you want. So let's try this out. So go ahead and dip that in your water. And make sure you have a plate underneath you so you don't stain your counters, or maybe do this outside so it doesn't make a mess. All right, let's see. You can see how the bubbles are a slightly different color, so they're more red and orange. So I hope you try this out and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.